where you come in, Pleasure Beach. Walk through here. Here you got the ice blast straight in front of you, but that's not working today for some reason. Flying aeroplanes. One of the wooden coasters, that one. I can't remember the name of it. What's the name of that one over there? The one there where they're queuing. Oh, we'll come round to it anyway. There's a load of shops and that lot around here. This one here, I haven't actually been on yet. It's called Valhalla. Or Valhalla. It's a water ride. And judging by the state of people that come off it, you get pretty wet on it. See if we can get any people coming out. Coming out. They look like they're getting back up again, but they're pretty wet. Right. To horse racing. Good look in here. You boys want to jump on? Go for it. Okay, leave them here. Is it quick? Go on.
Please keep your feet to the stirrup at all times. Please exit by the blue flashing light. Thank you. Please exit by the blue flashing light. Thank you.
Right. Come on then. Alice in Wonderland, that is. Over here, not that you probably don't want to know, but there's the toilets and that lot and a few burger bars, which I find a bit revolting, having a food outlet next door to the toilets, but there you go. Over here, it's a ghost house. That's a Swiss general store. Quick zoom in there, you can see anything. Like sweets and that lot, souvenirs. There's a ghost train. I think I just said ghost house, but I meant ghost train. Come and have a look at this in a minute actually. Down there. This arena where they have shows and that. To Nickelodeon Land on the left. There's a cafe there. I'll take a quick look around Nickelodeon Land. I think to come back in a while. Oh, go ahead, the ride's called Streak. Come on, boys.
John, it's that mini thing.
Where? Oh yeah. It's a little miniature log flume for the kids. It's a log flume there. on walking. Fairy World. Little ride. Hey? Yeah, it's one of the rides. Got a shop there. There's a few rides over there, Krusty Krab, Splash Bash and that. We go and have a look, just get a little close up. That's a miniature dog flume. It's like a water one. Looks like they splash each other, go around. A bit like the one at Alton Towers, isn't it? Except a miniature version of it. We've got Pirates one at Alton Towers, which is a much more adult one. You get soaked on that. Right, boys, come back. We don't need to go all the way in there. Come on. I'm sure the name of that one, find out in a sec. Kids have been on it though. Let's go round here. Blue Flyer. It's a miniature roller coaster for kids.
We will be showing that in our if you want to see Leo, all you need to do is stop and just behind me. Unfortunately, the queue has been cut for this appearance. If you did want a picture, you won't miss your chance now, guys. But we do have different characters here all throughout the day, every half an hour on Nickelodeon Land.
So the queue all the way down to me, guys.
Little show over there for kids.
Next one, all the way down.
This is a restaurant. Pizza, pasta, all you can eat. I think it's something like £8 for the adults. What is it? Let's have a look. Get a shot. Yeah, big pizza. All you can eat. If you can make the prices out there, but it's £7.95 for an adult. Child is £4.25. Try and get a quick shot inside. Over here are the bigger sort of rides. That was Nickelodeon Land. That there is a Revolution. Used to be called, what was it called? Iron Brew.
For a hero and a half show. They did it, the footage is on YouTube, just search for Turtle Abseil Big One. Simple.
Around the back here we're just coming to more loos, as they're called. Okay, well I'll carry on walking, alright? You catch us up. Watch where you put that. Get Anthony or somebody to hold it. Don't forget to wash your hands. Down here we've got more food stores, fun food, ice creams and that, popcorn. Popcorn there as well. That's a hot dog stand.
There's a police officer.
Cool. There's games. £2 a go. It's the stairs up to the Iron Brew, or as it's now called, Revolution. See if we can get a shot of that in a minute. It's another fairground type ride. Well, this is a big one, Pepsi Max, if you're wondering. I'm not in the best place at the moment to get a decent shot of it. We'll get another one in a minute, but we've got the Revolution here. Basically, it's a roller coaster. That's one revolution forward, hence the name, Revolution. I've gone there, and then it'll do another revolution backwards. It takes a while to come back, but it does come back, I promise you. There you go. There you go. Back up. We'll just grab it while we can, because Pepsi Max has just gone round. That top peak there, that they're just coming to now, I think it's 225 foot or 235, I'm not sure which, but it's one of them. I went on it earlier, and I'll tell you what, once you go over that peak and start to go down, and it's quite a sight from up there. I go down there, I can't get it properly, I'll get it in a minute. Right, let's move forward.
That's a very big
We've got fairground horses ride again. This is the side of the Pepsi Max. Bit annoyed this morning, we came in for 9:30, queued till 10 to get in, legged it round for this, and they weren't opening it till 10:30. They have staggered ride opening times here. Why this one was only opening at 10:30 I'll never know, considering it's probably the most popular ride at the moment. Anyway, some more stalls there. This is a steeplechase. Basically it's 3 horses. I think it's a maximum of 2 people on each horse, and you just go around and race each other. Down here's Burger King. There isn't a lot down there apart from the exits. I think there's a penny arcade down there. I won't bother going down there because there's not a lot to see really. I don't know if you could get a... I think it takes about a minute to get up.